Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to purchase a theme for your Shopify website, right? I am just going to purchase a theme from Jhango.com, right? You can purchase a theme from Jhango, right? I will mention the website link in video description. You can simply visit there and you can purchase it from there. Right now, as you can see, we are into Jhango.com, right? Okay, so here is the theme, the Malkin Shopify theme, right? And view demo is over there, password is also over there, Django, right? Let's click on view demo and it is asking for the password. Django have lots of themes available in almost all niches, right? So this is the theme, right? As you can see, this is the product category, this is the newsletter pop-up, this is the hero carousel. You can change the images and text as per your convenience. This is the again products, and some sliders are over there, some videos are over there, right? And this is again a video, right, placed on the home page. So this is basically the home page design, right? You can design as per your convenience, as per your requirement. You can change each and everything, whether photos, videos, text, logos, right? And you can showcase your own product over here. So I have clicked on this product and this is the product page basically, right? So as you can see, the product size chart, shipping information, return and warranty, lots of options are displayed over here, right? Okay, the recommended products are there, the footer is over there, right? And the product name and the sale price and the discounted price, and this is the cart, right? Cart itself don't have any page, right? Generally in the Shopify website, this is the checkout page, right? Each and everything is already prepared, right? Whenever you click on the our collection, these are the product category page, right? This is the product category page. As you can see, product relevant to this categories are getting displayed. This is the home page, right? So if we want to purchase this theme, we just need to click on add to cart, and here the quantity is 2. Let me do it 1, and we will simply go for the checkout, right? So there are several more platforms from where you can purchase a good Shopify theme, right? Here you can simply mention the all the details. This is basically a checkout page, right? And you can make the payment done. Okay, so we have purchased the theme, right? It is saying that you have done the payment, right? Now, what would be the next step? Django would automatically send us an email with having WhatsApp number of their team, right? You just need to message them and they will set up this theme on your Shopify website. And for that purpose, you just need to give them the collaborator access of your Shopify website, and their team would automatically get the access and they will install the theme and they will set up the theme. So it is quite easy for setting a theme on your Shopify website from Django.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.